Hello everyone, welcome back to Angela's Craft Room. I've been doing a couple of videos for some ladies that have had trouble with their blog because, as we all know, that Blogger is changing its settings as the end of July, and you will be changed by default over there. You can select to go there now and start learning it before it's permanent. Okay, so today is the last video. I just wanted to show the ladies how to create your pictures for your post by using the photos of your projects. Okay, and there's a couple of other things. So why you want to have a nice square picture is, if I scroll down my blog, on the left hand side here you can see these are my most popular posts. So they change all the time, and how they are generated is by how many pins or how many views that I've received, and I don't put them there, they just change all the time. That's just what my followers, by viewing the posts, have decided that they're the most popular posts. Okay, so you will see that they are a nice square image, and that's what you want also when you're entering challenges. You want a nice square image and where your picture is right in the middle. Okay, so that's the reason why you need to try and do it this way. So I'm just going to go over to Pic Monkey. You can use whatever you use. There's so many out there that you can create and add your watermarks and so forth, and I'm going to show you how to do that, but I'm going to show it to you in Pic Monkey for those ladies that have requested. Okay, so I have the paid version. You can get a free version. So your free version is going to look a little different most probably than mine, but you just have to find where the templates are. Now if I click on here, down here, this is 1200 by 1200 px, and it's a really nice square. So we're going to select that. Just takes a couple of minutes to load. And that just gives me a really nice square. Okay, it just gives me a nice square. So then I need to add my image. So I'm up here, it says add image. I'm going to click on there, and there's several places that you can select your image from this full list here. I'm going to select it from my computer. So it will come up in a minute. So you can see that it's a nice square image. Okay, I hope you can see that. It's pretty much in shot there for you. So, and then what we want to do, we want to go back over to the left side here. I'll just zoom out a bit so you can see. So this blue part over here on the left side, you want to go to graphics. So we're just pretending you've already created your watermark or got someone to create it for you. So then you go to graphics, click on graphics, and then I'm going to add my own image. There's all these images here that you can create your very own watermark. Mine's already done, so I'm going to get mine. Once again, you can bring it up from all of these places. I'm going to find mine on my computer. So that's my watermark, 2020. So I'm going to select black. I have it created in black print and white print. White print is very handy if you have a very dark image. And then I'm just going to pop that down into my right hand corner, because you'll find that when people look at your project to see who's made it, their eye will automatically go to the right hand corner. So then we want to go back over here on the left side, and we're just, what I like to do, you don't have to do it, but I like to add text, and then I click on add text, and I get this little box here. So I like to bring mine up to the top left, and then in there I just click in there. That brings up this text box, and you can change the color of your text. You can change what style you want. I know that I use Playfair, so it automatically brings up this Playfair, and I just select that, and I always like to have it in italic. Okay, and then I would just type in, I'll just for demonstration purposes, if I have a card or something and I've used a particular stamp set, I would put the name of the stamp set there. And then you would go up here and download it as a PNG, and you download it and you just put it wherever you want to put it on your computer, and then that's done. We can close the Pic Monkey. Okay, so then to put it on my blog, I'm not going to do a whole blog. You can look at the previous tutorials for that. So I'm going to click on design, and then on posts. This is in Blogger. Then to create a new post, as I've shown you before, we're going to click on that orange button, and then we're ready to write the post. So I'm just going to center a line. Then I'm going to insert the image, upload from my computer, browse, then I'll just do that one that I just did, the one we just created in Pic Monkey. Just takes a couple of seconds to show. And then in Blogger, what you want to do then, you want to go to these two arrows up here and click on it, so you're in HTML view. And then you want to go on this very first line, and this is the first thing that you want to do when you're writing your blog. You want to click in the left hand side of that first word, clear, and you're just going to type display semicolon none, and then we just want to do that one there. And then we come over here and go back to compose view, and that is, your picture is gone. So that if that picture is chosen as one of the top posts to show on my blog, it will have, and it will pick up that picture that we've just created and put on our blog in that way, and it will just show up as a nice square image on the left hand side of your blog. So I hope that helps you ladies that were asking, you know, how to create your pictures, how to edit them using Pic Monkey for your blog, and how to put them on. It's most important to put that, when you're writing your post on your blog, to put that first before you start typing, before you put the title or anything. You just, if you do that little extra step first, it will make the pictures lovely and square on your blog, and when you're entering challenges, it will also look a lot nicer set out with your picture right in the middle there when you're adding them to the challenges. So you can see, for instance, this one here, how nice and square that is. Okay, so I hope that is helpful. I'm always happy to help if you need anything explained according to your, if you're using a blog that is powered by Blogger. So thank you for watching. Happy crafting.